Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you the M1 Unit 1. In that I have already explained about orthogonal matrix, define the orthogonal matrix and find out whether it is orthogonal or not. I have taken an example and proved that it's orthogonal, and they have also given a matrix and I solved that also in last video. This is the second video in part 1. Show that I plus A plus IC minus B plus ID, B plus ID, A minus IC is unitary. A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector is equal to 1. They have given the condition. When this is 1, this is the unitary. How to find this? Let us take the given. A is equal to A plus IC minus B plus ID, B plus ID, A minus IC. A bar is equal to, how to exchange the signs here. For example, if I have A plus IC, then take it A minus IC. This is the A bar. And here take the minus as it is. Here we have to change B minus ID, and here B plus ID I have B minus ID, A minus ID IC I have to take A plus IC. Then A theta, that is A inverse transpose, A inverse transpose, how to take, this is the A inverse. How to take transpose for this? The rows will become columns, and the again one more row will become the column. A minus IC minus B minus ID will be like this. A minus IC, take this here, take this one here. B minus ID will be here, A plus IC will be here. Means the rows will become columns here. Got it? First row will be first column, second row will be second column. This is the transpose of this A inverse. A into A theta. They have already given the A. Write it as it is. A plus IC minus B plus ID. Minus B plus ID. A minus IC, B plus ID. Take it as it is, the A. Then A theta. I have done this solution. A minus IC minus B minus ID, B minus ID, A plus IC. This is the A theta. And we have to do multiplication here. I have told you in the last video as well. We have to multiply the row and the column. First row, first column, first row and second column. Here A plus IC into A minus IC. Then plus minus B plus ID into minus B minus ID. Got it? First row, first column, then again first row and second column. This will be, see, A into A square, plus into minus, IC, here IC, that will be IC square, plus B into B, minus into minus plus, that is B square, and ID into ID, that is I square will be minus 1, that's why here D square. Here I will get A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Here in this place I will get A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Again for this position I have to do first row and second column. A plus IC into B minus ID. A plus IC into B minus ID plus minus B plus ID into A plus IC. Here I'll get A into B AB minus CD. Again plus into minus A into B AB, C into D CD. Here AB CD will get cancelled. I'll get 0. Here I'll get 0. Again first row is completed. Come to second row. B plus ID into A minus IC. B plus ID into A minus IC plus B plus ID into A minus IC into minus B minus ID. A minus IC into minus B minus ID. Here A into B AB, CD here, plus into minus, and again minus into plus minus, A into B AB, C into D CD. Here I square is equal to minus 1, and this will be 0. AB into AB plus AB minus AB plus CD minus CD will get cancelled here, 0. Then let us take B plus ID into B minus ID. B plus ID into B minus ID. Again A minus IC into A plus IC. A minus IC into A plus IC. Here I will get B square, B into B square, and D into D square, A square and C square. I will get A square plus B square plus C square and D square. This will be 0. I didn't write last time. This will be A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. They have already told that vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D is equal to 1. That is A square plus B square plus C square D square is equal to 1. That's why if A into A theta is equal to I, this will become I. If and only if A square plus B square plus C square D square is equal to 1, then A is unitary. If and only if A square plus B square plus C square D square is equal to 1. Here we have proved that this matrix is unitary. Then go to next question. That is, find the value of K if the rank of matrix A is 2. Where A they have given 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, K 0. Here the rank of the matrix is 2. Means we have to take 2 times. A is equal to take the given as it is, and I have taken the row 1 as row 2, row 2 as row 1. I have just exchanged these two. I have taken this row here and this row here. Just 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1 as it is, and 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1 here. 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Exchange those two rows, first one and second one. Write the whole step here. Then in next step I have done that R3 and R4. See here, for the rank of matrix, we must have at least 2 identical rows. If I get 2 identical rows, then we can easily find out the K value here. That's why I want to make the 2 identical rows at least. Take the R3 and just change the R3 as R3 minus 3R1. R3 is 3. 3 into R1 is, that is 1. This is 1. 3 into 1. R3 means 3. This value I have to change, right? Take the R3 as 3 and 3 into R1 is 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. this value will become 0. Then again for all these values I have to apply this formula. Again R3 is 1 and 3 into R1 is 0. Here the value is 1. The values will be changed. Here R3 is 0, 0 minus 3 into R1 is 1, 1. Then the value will be minus 3. Value is minus 3. See, I am getting the similar values while doing this formula. Then R3 is 2 minus 3 into R1 is 1. That is minus 1. I got two identical rows, right? Yes. Then I have to change the R4 as well. R4, I have to do R4 minus R1. What is R4 here? 1. 1 minus R1 is also 1. That is 0. It will become 0. Again R4 is 1. R4 is 1 and R1 is 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Change the value to 1. And again I have R4 here, that is k. R1 is 1, k minus 1, that will be same as it is k minus 1. And R4 is 0, 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1, minus 1. Here I can see 3 identical rows. Then I can easily find out the k minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Because these should be same, no? K minus 1 is equal to minus 3, k is equal to minus 2. Then I have find out the k value. K is minus 2. Yes, understood. These are very simple steps in M1 Unit 1. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, comment below. And if you want me to explain any particular topic, comment down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.